What is standard deviation, and why does it matter? Standard deviation is one of the most important tools in mathematics and statistics. It tells you how spread out your data is around the average. A small standard deviation means your values are tightly clustered together. A large one means they're widely scattered. Here's a simple example. Two classes both average 70 out of 100 on a test. But in Class A, every student scored between 65 and 75. In Class B, scores ranged from 30 to 100. Same average, completely different story. Standard deviation captures that difference. Now let's look at how to calculate it. Step 1, find the mean. Add all your values together and divide by the count. Step 2, for each value, subtract the mean. This gives you the deviation from the average. Step 3, square each of those deviations. Squaring removes negative signs and amplifies larger differences. Step 4, add all the squared deviations together. Step 5, divide by the number of values, or by the number -1, depending on whether you're working with a full population or a sample. Step 6, take the square root. That's your standard deviation. Here's the key question. Do you divide by n or n-1? If you have data for an entire population, every single member, divide by n. That gives you the population standard deviation, written as sigma. If you only have a sample drawn from a larger group, which is the case most of the time, divide by n-1. That gives you the sample standard deviation, written as s. The -1 is called Bessel's correction, and it prevents you from underestimating the true variability. Our standard deviation calculator computes all 5 key outputs simultaneously from a single set of numbers. Enter your data, comma separated or space separated, then hit calculate. You instantly get the mean, the population variance, the sample variance, the population standard deviation, and the sample standard deviation. All 5 side by side in clearly labeled boxes. No switching modes, no re-entering data. The calculator also includes 3 advanced tools. The coefficient of variation expresses standard deviation as a percentage of the mean, useful for comparing data sets with very different units or scales. The z-score tool tells you exactly how many standard deviations any single value sits from the mean, critical for identifying outliers in quality control. And the 95% confidence interval tool calculates the likely range for the true population, mean based on your sample size and standard deviation. Whether you're a student, an engineer, a scientist, or a data analyst, this is the only standard deviation calculator you'll need. Find the link in the description below.